For centuries, Vietnam has established and exercised sovereignty over Hoang Sa, Paracel and Chung Sa Spratly archipelagos. A variety of documents in Vietnam have demonstrated the peaceful existence of sovereignty by the Vietnamese feudal state over the Hoang Sa and Chung Sa Spratly archipelagos. Many other royal records of the Vietnamese feudal state, such as orders, rewards and reports, currently preserved in different places in our country, are valuable evidence affirming that the Vietnamese feudal state has effectively exercised sovereignty over Hoang Sa, Paracel and Chung Sa Spratly archipelagos for hundreds of years, when these two archipelagos were terra nullius. Foreign documents. Ang Nam Dai Quoc Hoa Do, Map of Great Ang Nam by Louis Taberd, a French priest, published in 1838 with dozens of maps by the East India Company, a Dutch company depicting Hoang Sa, Paracel and Chung Sa Spratly archipelagos as part of Vietnam's territory. During its long history, at least since the reign of the feudal state in the 17th and 18th centuries, Vietnam has established and exercised its sovereignty over Hoang Sa, Paracel and Chung Sa Spratly archipelagos. Under the French colonisation, the French government exercised sovereignty over these two archipelagos. Since 1954, Saigon authorities have taken over and exercised sovereignty over Hoang Sa, Paracel and Chung Sa Spratly archipelagos.